Easter Sunday of the Resurrection. Resurrection is indeed God's reign over our life, a life permeated by the divine. It is a whole new way of living. It is what awaits us in God's kingdom in the end of time, but it is already present in the here and now. With Christ's victory over sin and death, we no longer need to wait for the eschatological age to be reigned by God. Divine life is now made accessible. We are called to move from our former way of life to the life God intends us to have. We can now begin anew. Christ's resurrection conveys that there is always possibility to begin again. Whatever happened to us in the past, if we open ourselves to the power of Christ's resurrection, we become new creatures divinely empowered for our mission. Please like and subscribe.